You may have thought it's too good to be true. Well, I guess not. I'm a really big fan of Alpha and Omega, and I was waiting a year for this image. I I just can't believe it's finally coming. I don't know if I actually believed it was coming out because yeah, I don't know, just October 8th, 2013, that's just a couple months. I would give up a Hawaiian vacation just to see this right when it comes out. That's how much I want it. Um, well, I'm going to Hawaii on October 28th, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, not October, August. Um, yeah, I'm a big fan. See, look, I just changed that yesterday when I found out about it. I was in the middle of watching Alpha and Omega, and my sister wanted to watch it too, so then I paused it. I looked it up and found this image. Um, sorry. Like that. That. I found the image. And I got so excited. And yeah, it's just like unbelievable. Can't wait to see it.